So guys, channel. So today we are going to make French pancakes. First, I've displayed everything that we're going to be using. We're going to use spring flour, number one. This is yeast. You're going to see how we're going to use it. This is sugar. We are not going to use a lot of things. We're going to use vanilla. I wanted to go for strawberry, but today we've decided to use vanilla. If it's nice, of course we shall compare tomorrow, because I'm hoping to do for strawberry soon. So I'm also going to use ginger. Most people don't use ginger, but I'm going to use it because I want a different taste. We're going to use eggs. We are not going to make many, so we are going to use only 2 eggs. Okay, last we are going to use our milk. This is Jessa. This is not sponsored, but that's what you're going to use. So this is how they look like. This is how it looks like actually. So this is to my preference. And you can make it watery, but it's not so good when it's so watery. So this is a good blend, and we're going to put it on a frying pan with little oil, cooking oil.
Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Whip up my appetite.